Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to link Exness broker with MetaTrader 5 on PC. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, let's go to Exness and let's open a demo account. Click on standard here and click on continue. Click on demo. You can choose here the balance. So for the nickname, I will choose, for example, DDD. We have here the leverage, the platform MT5. Make sure you choose MT5. And we have here the trading password. So I will use a password. You have to remember this password because you will need it. Okay. Make sure your password checks all this box and click on create account. So this is my demo account. Now let's go back to MetaTrader 5. Click on file and click on open account. Here at the search bar, type Exness and click on find your company. Okay. You will see these results. Choose this one, Exness Technologies Ltd. So click on it and click on next. Now go to connect with existing account. So you have to add here the login, the password, and the server. So for the password, it's this one. For the login, go to these three dots, click on it, and click on account information. We have here MT5 login, as you can see. Click on copy here and go back to login and paste it. For the server, let's say what server we have here. We have Exness MT5 trial 16. So let's go and look for it. This one, Exness MT5 trial 16. Yes. And now just click on finish.
Incoming mail.
Now if we go to trade, as you can see, the balance is $500. And if we go to accounts, you will see this is our account, Exness MT5. You can click on it and you will see our DDD name. As you can see, 310, 310, as you can see. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.